Hey guys, most of people are not aware that Facebook allows you to make your cover photos private. This is a great privacy feature that can prevent people from snooping through your photos. In this video, I'll show you how to make sure that your cover photos are private on Facebook. I'll walk you through this process step by step so that you can easily follow along. So make sure to watch this video until the very end. To get started, simply open up your Facebook mobile application. Then you simply have to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then go over to your Facebook profile by simply tapping on your profile picture or name. So for the purpose of the video, I am simply going to select my cover photo. So in order to do that, I will tap on my current cover photo, and there you can see view profile cover. And from here, you simply have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then you have to go to the very first option named as make profile picture. Once you will click on this tab, is such type of interface will open in front of you. So from here, you have to make sure that you have unchecked this mark which share your update to newsfeed. After you have done this, simply tap on save at the top right corner of the screen. So now you have simply make your cover photo private on Facebook. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.